Myself Gopika, I am the Chief Creative Officer and co-founder of MyDesignation.com. So MyDesignation is an expressive fashion brand that focus mainly on expressive designs, and we are an innovative driven fashion niche brand from Kerala to the world. I'm proud to be building MyDesignation for India from Kerala. There are a lot of brands in India and fashion industry itself is a very cluttered market. But to get expressive clothing, to get a designer wear product, it was very difficult to find in India. Even right now, when we look into the fashion space, there are a lot of designer products, but the pricing is very, very high. So that's how MyDesignation came into the landscape. So people can wear expressive clothes, designer clothes, and express themselves. Yeah. We as a brand, we don't like to be a brand. We like to be called as the friendly neighborhood brand. We communicate with the customers, we communicate with the people. We have a good community who talk to us, what they want, what they like to see in our brand and stuff like that. So yeah, I believe that it's not just one point that makes it as a brand. There are a lot of perspectives. So these all makes us what we are today. So, when I go through our social media contents or even Facebook posts and stuff like that, I can see there are a lot of people who is fighting for the brand. So there was one comment from a random person saying that, okay, this brand is, it's not a trustable brand or something, of some sort of comment. And I could see in that comment, there were around 25 to 50 people arguing and defending MyDesignation. So see that acknowledgement from the people, and they were saying that if you have actually used the product, you wouldn't say that, or if you know the brand, or if you have any issues, you can just reach out to the brand. So such kind of validation from the consumers, from the customers was, I think that is what a founder needs, right? Kerala is famous for a lot of cultures, traditions. We people know whatever culture is, whatever folklore festivals is. Everybody know what Kathakali and Theyyam is. But we couldn't see, or we didn't see Kathakali and Theyyam on a t-shirt or on a shirt. So that is what we have developed, or we made into existence. So we created this Kathakali Theyyam design into a t-shirt. So it was one of a kind. And that too, it was made on a black t-shirt. And we have sold that t-shirt, we have launched that t-shirt during Onam. So usually Onam is a festival where people doesn't wear black. But we launched the t-shirt during Onam, and that too on a black t-shirt, and blending Theyyam and Kathakali together. The beautiful thing of fashion, right? Innovating things and experimenting things. So that's what we do. Taking our culture and blending into fashion, blending into fabrics, blending into clothes. So that is how we do, blending the culture into fashion. For example, if we are taking my own company, we don't source or we don't take anything from any other country. We are manufacturing everything inside India, and we are selling outside India also. So I think made in India should have the meaning to it, and I'm really proud to see there are a lot of D2C brands that is coming up, which is actually doing, what they're telling about, make in India, made in India. So that is really proud to know that. And also you guys taking your time and effort to come and, picking MyDesignation from Kerala and giving the opportunity. I'm really grateful, and I'm really happy to see PayU taking the initiative and coming down here and talking with MyDesignation, talking with the brands, picking the brands without expecting anything. It is really nice to know. There are very few brands that do such kind of stuff. So we are really grateful for that. And I expect a lot of other people also see this as an example and do it in future. Building India from Kerala.